Hello everyone, this video is about how to solve equations on TI Nspire CX CAS student software. First, there's a simple equation. If you directly press this and press enter, nothing will happen. So, in order to solve it, you need to call some functions. Press menu on your device. Then select 3, algebra. Then select 1. This will give the solve function that you can use. Now, how to use it is to type in the equation that you want to solve. Then specify which variable that you wanted to solve, in this case x. Then press enter. It will give you the answer. But maybe you will have a question. Why should I specify that I want to solve x if there is just an x in the equation? Well, sometimes you will face situations like this. This equation has two variables, but in my case, maybe I just want to solve x and isolate x from the equation and get everything else at the other side of the equation. So in this case, if I specify x, I can get x is a whole thing of y. That's what the solve function can also do this. Okay, so that's basically how to use it. Thanks for watching.